TEZOS value forecast is one of the most well-known search terms since XTZ unleashed destruction among crypto bears over the most recent few months. Before we jump into the stray pieces of this TEZOS cost expectation, we should rapidly check what's really going on with XTZ. TEZOS introduction. TEZOS is a novel blockchain, another Ethereum executioner that was first proposed in a paper delivered in August 2014 with additional particulars reported in a white paper delivered in Sept. 2014. The TEZOS blockchain is planned with an emphasis on chain administration, permitting token holders to decide in favor of proposed changes to usefulness to try not to fork the organization. In 2015, the organizers, Kathleen and Arthur Breitman, laid out an organization called Dynamic Record Arrangements, which was liable for composing the underlying code for TEZOS. At the center of this codebase is a self-correcting convention, a framework to formalize proposing, deciding in favor of, and carrying out changes to the usefulness of the organization. When a proposition has been made, holders of TEZOS tokens can cast a ballot with a weighting of 1 vote for each token. TEZOS blockchain utilizes a changed rendition of a designated verification of stake framework where stakers, called pastry specialists inside the organization, can secure their tokens in return for the capacity to approve blocks. In TEZOS' more fluid DPoS framework, clients can delegate tokens to cooks without moving proprietorship. Prizes for approving blocks are dispersed to bread cooks as new XTZ tokens, with a relative measure of the award disseminated to wallets that have designated tokens to the pastry specialists. This empowers more modest symbolic holders to partake in the approval process in the event that they hold not exactly the expected sum to turn into a full pastry specialist. Our XTZ token value expectation for 2023. It is very evident that digital currency value expectations ought to be thought about while taking other factors into consideration. However, there are variables to pay special attention to that will more likely than not have a direction on the future cost of the more extensive cryptographic money market. This incorporates the level and nature of guidelines forced in overwhelming digital money markets, the level of cryptographic money reception in the approaching year and past, the level of development in the digital currency fates market, the utility of tokens, and the capacity of the hidden innovation to take care of true issues. The entire crypto world is on an edge of a total breakdown. Bitcoin has fallen 75% from its unsurpassed high in the midst of more extensive market declines brought about by seething expansion, and US took care of rate climbs. At the point when add the latest implosions of colossal industry players into the situation, the horizon is dim and there will be more blood in the city of the crypto town. Financial backers are selling hazardous resources and moving into additional steady business sectors. Crypto is as yet seen as an extremely hazardous play, and consequently the auction. Our algo still sees some green in 2023, particularly in the second piece of the year. This is reflected in our 2023 expectations. At the present time, Bitcoin needs to find a base before we can move the other way and alter the course. When Bitcoin gets comfortable the new cost range, altcoins will begin to do likewise. We have seen this situation many times in the far-off and later history. Our cost expectation model is negative for the following 90 days, with a sprinkle of a positively trending market at the divert of the quarters from Q1 to Q2. We expect whales and other greater players in the market to wrap up filling their sacks around that time, which will cause an ordinary and unexpected crypto spike. Group made a cost forecast model with a complex way to deal with crypto that considers both specialized examination and key evaluation of each venture. Basics that we assess are group, tokenomics, use case, local area, advertising endeavors, liquidity and trade accessibility, publicity and theoretical potential, and a few other exclusive elements created in our crypto lab. 2023-01-26 plus 4.56% $1 172023-01-270.54% $1 122023-01 28 plus 0.70% $1 132023-01-29 plus 4.19% $1 172023-01-30 plus 0.47% $1 132023-01-31 plus 4.39% $1 172023-02-01 plus 7.89% $1 212023-02 plus 1.66% $1 142023-0203 plus 5.28% $1.18 expectation model brings market opinion into a record and responds likewise. The following is a month-by-month breakdown of the last a long time of 2022 and 2023. 2023 Feb 1.55% $1.10. 2023 Blemish 3.48% $1.08. 2023 APRA plus 2.12% $1.14. 2023 May plus 4.89% $1.18. 2023 June plus 15.50% $1.29. 2023 Jul plus 23.33% $1.38. 2023 AUG plus 28.79% $1.44. 2023 SEP plus 25.72% $1.41. 2023 OCT plus 35.28% $1.52. 2023 NAV plus 36.83% $1.53. 2023 DEC plus 47.90% $1.66. 2024 JAN plus 47.00% $1.65. XTZ value forecast 2025 Our expectation model sees XTZ coming to $11.66 in 2025. What will XTZ be worth in 5 years? The cost of XTZ in 5 years could lie around $2.52. TEZOS value expectation 2030 to 2040 What TEZOS will be worth in 2030? Our anticipating model sees TEZOS coming to $29.15 in 2030. What TEZOS will be worth in 2040? Our estimating model sees TEZOS coming to $58.29 in 2040. Will TEZOS supplant, outperform, overwhelm Bitcoin? No, TEZOS won't supplant or overwhelm BTC. Is TEZOS worth purchasing? We are supporters of tolerably unsafe money management. Put the vast majority of your crypto portfolio in BTC, 35% in a bin of enormous cap coins, and the rest in little undertakings with gigantic potential gain. Along these lines, in this specific situation, TEZOS merits purchasing. Is TEZOS a wise speculation? TEZOS is, very much like any remaining cryptographic forms of money, a hazardous venture. It has higher likelihood of going up than down due to the great use case, very much planned tokenomics, dynamic local area, and a strong group behind it. What amount will TEZOS be worth? For the transient future, it could reach 98 cents. In the long haul, it could leap to $29.15 or significantly higher. For what reason will TEZOS succeed and get more expensive? TEZOS has a decent use case, very much planned tokenomics, dynamic local area, and a strong group behind it. These are an essential for progress, and for that reason our expectation model sees TEZOS ascending to $29.15 in 2030. For what reason will TEZOS come up short and drop in cost? Crypto projects come up short because of multiple factors. Probably the most widely recognized ones are: group denounces any kind of authority and leaves the task. Controllers announce it unlawful and press trades to delist it. Absence of media consideration, more fruitful contenders. Absence of very much planned showcasing procedure. Losing local area support. Expected weakness in the convention. Neglecting to accomplish expected least development action on the convention. Neglecting to draw in new designers to expand on their foundation. Could TEZOS at any point reach $100? Indeed, it is conceivable that TEZOS can reach $100 yet just in a far-off future, after 2030. How high will TEZOS go? Our estimating model sees TEZOS value detonating and coming to $58.29 in a far-off future. What is the transient expectation for TEZOS? TEZOS will reach 98 cents in the following 90 days, which is 11